Hello again. Well, today I've got a different horn on my homemade gramophone. This is a paper horn or a card horn that is designed to be printed out and attached to your smartphone. So it's a passive smartphone amplifier. I've got it set up the same way as before, with a smartphone up there to monitor the sound levels. So I will play the same piece of record with the same needle. Well, there we go. It apparently reached a max of 63 decibels, although I didn't quite see at which point it did. The average is 43. Now, in my previous tests, the average hasn't been reliable because I've not stopped and started the monitor at the right time. But in this case, I did. So 43 decibels is actually probably a fair representation. Now, this horn doesn't really perform any better than any of the previous horns I tried, but it has one or two major advantages, one of which is that it's really easy to make, or pretty easy to make anyway, and also the design can be made in more than one size. So it's only provided in one size, but there's no reason why it couldn't be printed out bigger and made bigger. So I think the next step, at least for this horn, will be to try making it in a bigger size. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Mr. RG Stuff.